Hello friends, now let's solve the maximum square problem. I explain this problem as a comparison as a maximum rectangle problem, as you see before. Given a 2D binary matrix filled with zeros and ones, find the largest square containing only ones and return its area. So what's the difference between the maximum square and the maximum rectangle? Why we will use stack when we try to find the maximum rectangle? What's the difference when we try to find the maximal square? Well, as is a square, the case had been much simpler because the square has the same length of its side, which means their height and width should be the same. So we just need to find the max length of its height and the width. So we iterate this matrix. If current char is 1, we will try to find the left and its up and its anti-dialog, and we'll pick the minimum length and plus 1. So we did use the idea of the dynamic programming because we want to cache the maximum length it can be in the same place. So basically, the idea you can use this idea to solve the range sum query 2D immutable, which we also cache the things in an extra array. So in this case, we first do the edge case check. If the matrix equal to none or the matrix length equal to 0, we simply return 0. And then we get the rows, which is the matrix length, and the columns will be the matrix 0 length. So we will use a 2D DP array as usual. So what's the size? It should be rows plus 1 and the columns plus 1. Why? Because you see, even if we are at the index 0, 0, we want to know its left and its up and anti-dialog thing. So if we let the DP have the same side as the matrix, it will auto-bound. So for simplicity, we just let this matrix have one more column and one more rows. That's the reason. So we just iterate and start from 1, and I will less or equal than the rows 9 plus plus. And for j will start from 1, j less or equal than the columns j plus plus. So if the matrix I minus 1, because you see we let the this I and j basically is the index in the DP array. So we should let the I and j minus 1. If it equal to 1, we need to calculate. So do not forget we need to save the max length. So if equal to 1, the current dpij will be the minimum of the 3 values. The one value will be the dpi minus 1, j minus 1, which means the anti-dialog, which means this place maximum length, and the minimum dpi minus 1, j, and the dpi j minus 1, and the plus 1. Because current is 1, we cache their minimum length. Like if all these are 1, we plus 1, the maximum length will be 2. So every time we compare the mass and the dpij, so in the end we return the max times max. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.